Hi, I'm Liz, the Regional Product Representative for the Western Region, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Caresia product line. Caresia is a standard size bandage liner meant for the intensive or active phase of therapy. What the Caresia does is replace all of the components in standard bandaging protocol other than the short stretch bandages. This is an example of our BG unit. It's an MCPs to axilla garment. And this is, again, going to replace everything but the bandaging. So the patient would just have to roll this in half like so, and then pull it on. There is a thumb hole, so make sure that they get their thumb through the thumb hole. And then they're going to roll it up the limb. And that's it. And then they just put one layer of short stretch bandaging over the top. So as you can see, it's a little bit easier to do than holding flat foams and gauze and stockinette and all of that in place. And it also takes a little bit less time. So it's a time saver for the patient and it's a time saver for the therapist. The chopped foam in the channels is also really good at evening out any irregular pressure. So if the patient doesn't bandage exactly right every time, the foam is going to kind of help even that out. Caresia garments are breathable, wickable, and thermal release. So even though they look a little bit bulky or look like they might get warm, when worn next to the patient's skin, they do pull heat and moisture away. And they're also machine wash and machine dry. They will last the patient about 6 months to a year. So with the fact that they can wash them and use them for an extended period of time, they tend to be a little bit more cost effective than bandaging supplies. They're also really good at helping break up fibrosis. And they work on opening up the initial lymphatic system by creating tissue stretch. We have arm garments, lower extremity garments. We have gloves that have digit spacers in them as well, so if you have a patient that has finger swelling. And we have a wrist to axilla garment that can be worn in conjunction with either the glove or the gauntlet. If you have any other questions about the Caresia garments, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.